Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Goddess of Love and Truth Reacts. Welcome to the new people who have never been here before. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. That way when I upload any new videos, you never miss out on any videos. Also be sure to like and share and comment as well. And to my returning subscribers or any returning viewer that may not have subscribed as of yet, welcome back to the channel as well. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for everyone who has subscribed. Let's continue to subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like the videos so that we can get in the algorithm of YouTube. Thank you again for you guys joining us. Well, I'm here today about Ernesto, Nasty Nesto, Nesto Williams. He have so many aliases, so I enjoy saying a lot of his names, and that's not even all of them. But anywho, Nesto and Shirley Strawberry had a divorce hearing on yesterday, July 26, 2024. And Ernesto was not in attendance, so he skipped out on the divorce hearing. Go figure that. Anywho, as you see on the screen, that's Shirley Strawberry in the middle of the big picture. At the top of the screen, you're going to see her attorney, and then below her attorney is the judge that is handling the case. Well, as I mentioned before, Ernesto did not show up, so they have to reschedule. The attorney said that she feel like they should be able to finalize it because he was served, and he should have been there. It's like there's no reason that he should not be there. And then she did mention that he's incarcerated. They pulled up the documents showing where he was served because initially the case was rescheduled because they didn't get anything signed showing that he was served from the jail, but now they do. So that was a document that they pulled up, and if you go back to my previous videos, you'll see that document. So I'm not going to pull it up again on here because it's already on this channel. So the judge, Shirley Strawberry, she didn't say anything the entire time. She just sitting there looking pretty, as she should. I'm so happy that she's getting this divorce. I wish her well, her and her family. She's been through a lot. Some may say, yeah, she knew this was going on and she know this was going on. Maybe she did. You know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff people do, we don't understand why. It is what it is. I'm not going to pass no judgment on anybody. I mean, I've had my comments and everything about it, and that's exactly what they are, just basically comments and opinions, but I'm not here to judge anybody. I just wish her well. I wish the best for her and her daughter. I hope they're able to rebuild and bond a relationship because that is definitely important. Anywho, so one thing I wanted to mention, when the judge was reading off some information from the case, she mentioned married in 2022. That was incorrect. They was married long before 2022. Shirley actually had mentioned, not on this hearing, but she had mentioned before, or no, she had in the documents that they actually separated in 2022. And she said it was like in March, but I'm not sure why she said that because they were still together, because she said that they was together on July 4th. That was the last time she seen him, and they went to a dinner, or they was somewhere on July 4th, and then either that night or the next night or the next day is when he was arrested. So he been in jail since 2022. They definitely did not get married in 2022. They've been married. So that was a error on the judge part. I think she was reading the separation date versus the marriage date, but Shirley didn't stop her and didn't say, no, that's not correct. And the attorney, I don't know if she was paying attention or what, because she just basically agreed with what the judge said. And everybody know that they got married well before then, But anyway, just wanted to mention that was an error that I heard. So anywho, I'm not gonna hold you guys long. The divorce has been rescheduled for a final hearing of August 30th. So whether he shows up or not, they gonna do a final hearing. So she should get her divorce no later than August 30th, because it's been past 30 days since he was served, and there's no reason that he shouldn't have been there today, especially being that he was incarcerated. Only thing they had to do was, put him on the Zoom. So I just wish Shirley the best. Nesto trial for his RICO and all his other charges, well, most of his other charges, is for October the 2nd. They have not set a trial yet for the Child P charges that he got, and I think in the SA charges that he got. So a few charges he still haven't they haven't set a court date for it as of yet, but for the big ones, he definitely will be in court on October 2nd, unless anything changes. Now, his attorney did file a motion to try to have the case dismissed. I don't know where he got that from, but anywho, we'll see him in court on October 2nd, unless anything changes. So if anything changes, I will come back and give you guys an update. And then, so we're going to be waiting and looking out for August 30th to see what's going to go on with the divorce hearing. I hope Shirley is finally able to get her divorce from Ernest Nesto. They call him Nesto. They call him Nasty. Oh, that's what he said. They call him Nasty. But they do call him Nesto too. So I just hope she's able to get her divorce and get them finalized. And if you guys are not watching Phone Calls from Prison, be sure to go over there and watch Phone Calls from Prison. She got the phone calls, she got the text messages, she has the videos where they go in person to see him. She just recently uploaded a video maybe a day or two ago where Dion pretty much put Nesto on blast. Everything that they charging him for about these women, about being a sweetheart swindler and taking their money. Dion said it, like, and he was being funny because Sonya called him on the three-way because Nesto wanted him to put $100 on his book. He really wanted Sonya to put it on there. He just wanted Sonya to call and so he can ask Dion, so Dion can say he don't have it, so Sonya can say, oh yeah, I do it. Sonya's so dumb, and I'm not judging her. She dumb. That's facts. But she may not be dumb in everything, but with this situation, she's dumb. So Dion, he was like, he said, Salt and Pepper, they're gonna give you some money or whatever, they'll do it. He basically was like, you know how we do, basically saying like they let the women take care of them, da 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 da. So he done called the Salt and Pepper lady on the phone. So I guess she worked at Metro PCS or whatnot. And he knows Sonya's on the phone, but he called the lady on the three-way with them anyway, so she could talk to Nesto, knowing that this lady liked Nesto and Nesto be using women for money. So you didn't like that? That was too funny. But anywho, I ain't gonna go into details on that. Y'all go check out. I don't do reviews on the phone call, so y'all go over there and check out the phone call, baby. It was hilarious. When I tell you Dion showed his behind, he showed his behind. All right, guys. So that's all I wanted to bring to you today about Shirley Strawberry. And